And we're back with another PicoCTF challenge, this time Forbidden Paths, a web exploitation challenge description. Can you get the flag? Here's the website. Let's go ahead and bring that up. We know that the website lives in user share nginx HTML, so that's the path it's serving from on the server, and the flag is at root flag.txt. But the website is filtering absolute file paths. Can you get past the filter to read the flag? All right, so first off, let's examine this website and what it does. So if we give it a file name, it'll try to read that file off to us. So for example, Oliver Twist, and we have Oliver Twist given back to us. If we try, what happens if it doesn't exist? A.txt. File does not exist. Okay, so let's think about what the server is doing. The server receives input. It looks at the file that would exist at that path. If it exists, it returns it. If it doesn't, it complains. And we were told that it lives at this path. So we saw Oliver Twist, and we got that before. We know it lives there. Can we get it like this? No, we're not authorized. This is an example of an absolute path, meaning we've specified from the file system's root all the way to the file we're interested in. If you do a relative path, instead you're saying, from where you are now, I want you to perform this series of movements. In this case, / just means right where you are, there's a file. And we'll see that works. All right, so relative paths work. And we can traverse by using .. I'll show you on any Linux system, this is a very standard thing. So my current path is home user desktop, right? I did a print working directory, which tells me exactly where I am. I'm on the desktop. If I did cd .. and then did a print working directory again, you can see I just moved up one directory. It's the exact same as if I moved, I guess I can't move into there. Let's see what's into the downloads. So you can see now I'm a directory below here. Now I'm back up. So it's the exact same movement. So what you can do is, if you know that something exists, say at /flag.txt, we can't get there directly, but if we put a lot of move up a directory, move up a directory, move up a directory, and then finally our absolute path, which we have right here, /flag.txt, now we've taken an absolute path and we've made it a relative path. I should show you guys the Oliver Twist working before I do this. This would be more instructive. Sorry. Obviously you can turn it off now and you can just do the answer if you want, but this is going to give us the not authorized. But if I get all the way to the root by using path traversal, then all of a sudden it's perfectly happy. So there's a way that we can convert a relative or an absolute path to a relative path. So our absolute path is /flag.txt, and we do a lot of these, move up a directory. And one thing that's important to know is if you're in the root and you do cd .. you just end up right where you are because you can't go any higher. So there's no sense of like, I've gone further up than the root. There's no such thing. So you can do as many of these as you want, and then you get the flag. Anyway, hopefully that was helpful. If it was, please like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend, tell your mom, tell a kid, whatever. Yeah, thanks. Bye. Okay.